What's going on, everybody? Nick's WRX back, and it is a beautiful day out today. First day, it's hit 60, and we got the Subi out here. I'm so excited to bring you guys the upcoming mods in this video because I cannot drive the car without it being tuned. The intake, downpipe, exhaust, it makes the car alive. It brings it a whole different personality, and it makes the car truly just a different vehicle. And it's definitely something that I would tell somebody to do first if they feel like they want to have a little bit of fun in the vehicle. This is it now. As you can hear, it's very, very, very quiet. Fully stock right now. Stock exhaust, stock intake, stock downpipe, straight from the factory, exactly how it came. I'll go right up to it right now. You could hear it idling, dead silent. Can't hear a thing. That is going to change today. So I'm going to put on the screen right here a list of stuff you guys need to be stage 2. It's going to be intake, boost controller, turbo inlet, downpipe, exhaust. I hope I'm not missing anything. If I am, I'll add it in right now. But we are going to get the work done today, and then we're dropping it off in a few days to get it tuned. So I'm going to update you guys. It'll be in a few seconds, but for me, it'll be a few days, and I'll catch up with you guys in one moment. What's going on, everybody? We're back at the house. Weird drive home. As you could tell from that last clip, the cold start was running a little weird after installing the intake and all the aftermarket parts. But after a few little trial and error things, now this is the next day. Everything is running good. I'm going to put a cold start in here right following this clip. It's a little bit colder out today. It's a little foggy, so, you know, maybe we'll get a good cold start here. So we did the intake, we did the boost controller, we did the turbo inlet, we did the downpipe, and the exhaust. As you can tell here, my exhaust tips, sorry for the zoom, they're sticking out a little far. I'm definitely going to do something with that in the future. But for right now, I mean, sounds amazing so far. So I'm going to put a cold start in right here for you guys. This is what it sounds like. Sounds pretty good. I mean, for what it is. Downshift to third here. Some pops, just like how it was in the fourth gear. Well, there's that. But anyway, yeah, it sounds great, honestly. Fourth gear here. Yeah, I mean, not really going too fast on it, but I mean, it's riding pretty good. I mean, I wouldn't drive without a tune for too long, but it'll be in 2 days I'm dropping it off.